this is how I normally get reviews done. This is how I normally get my clients to give me positive reviews, right? So for the project work, which is the one-off jobs, I put it in the estimate that, hey, we normally ask our clients to give us a positive review on Google or whatever platform we use. And after the work, I remind them again, and before they pay, I send them the link, reminding them. And 95% of the time, especially when we have done good work, they are more than likely to review us. Now, for your reoccurring client, put it again in your estimate that 6 months out, you would like to have a conversation about giving you a positive review if it reflects a positive work you've done in 6 months. The relationship is still good at that time. They still like you and they would like to give you a positive review. Contrary to popular belief, they want to see you do well. Also, let them use your work.